Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James and today we're doing another model scenery kit. This time we're looking at the Metcalfe engine shed, which is the red brick version. The product code is PN931 and it does look quite nice. You can get this in a grey stone variety as well, but I decided to get the red brick version for today. And yeah, there's another view of it on the back there. Very nice. So I'll just pop that there and we can have a look at the contents. So I think this is actually a slightly older kit because the instructions are all in grey. There is one little bit of colour here for the chimneys, but still it doesn't matter. As long as it's clear enough, it does not bother me. So let's have a look through the checklist, which is here, which I can't read upside down. So there we go. So checklist, we have sheet A, which is the walls, window frames and doors. So have a look in a moment. Sheet B, which is walls, chimneys and roof. The plain grey card for the interior strengthening parts. A dark brown laser cut card for the roof trusses. A light brown laser cut card with the lintels and the seals. 3 instruction sheets which I've got here and the glazing sheet. So let's have a quick look through them. So these are... That's not too bad with that. So this is sheet A and sheet B. Not too bad. Don't have to unfold anything. It's quite useful for me. These are the 2 laser cut cards. So that's the what was that one again? That's the roof trusses, and these are the lintels and the sills. There's the glazing sheet. Didn't include this one in the checklist, but this is the roof tile sheet, and also here is the strengthening piece. So not too bad. So let me just get this into a nice pile again. There we go. And the items which we'll need to complete this kit, we'll need a modeller's knife, which we've got here, which I've got my usual box cutter. A pair of sharp pointed scissors, these will do. A steel ruler, which I've got here. Where is it? Steel ruler. Got some glue, which I've got my UHC glue here. Don't use the fine tip applicator, but it can be useful. A cutting surface, which I've just got underneath here. And fine point tweezers, which I've got here. Watercolor paints, which I'm not going to bother doing. And a heavy book to use as a weight to press glue sheets together, which I haven't got, but I probably have got something to weigh it all down if I need to. And yeah, let's have a quick look at what we got here. So it's the usual thing of we sort out the glazing first to get that all done out of the way. I have got a pencil here, which I'll show you why that's useful just now. For the grey strengthening card bits, basically we use the pencil and we just basically label them, since you won't be able to see the strengthening card underneath it anyway. So yeah, always useful to have a pencil just so that you can basically, well, note down all the things so you don't have to keep looking at the bit of paper. So we start off with side walls, then the end walls and the door, and it looks like we start with the rear gable wall as well. That's sheet 1 done. Yeah, we continue on. Start adding the is that the outside? Yes, that looks like it's the outside wall structure there. Well, wall paper there. And continue around. And then we start on the smaller building at the back. And then we start adding all the wall trusses and all the stuff for the roof. And I'll pop that there. And then we start finishing off with all the extra little bits here. And then we end up with a finished product at the back. It says figure 20, so I'd probably say an hour and a half. That's the usual time these things to take. So yeah, I'll see how long it takes at the end, but I'm going to give it about an hour and a half. At most, probably 2 hours, but I don't think it'll take any longer than that. So yeah, I'm going to stop rapping on and get to work. So I'll see you in a bit, and I'm also going to top up my drink because my throat's a bit dry now. So always good to have a drink on hand. So yeah, I'm going to start getting this all worked out. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit when I'm all done. So see you in a bit. Well, here we have the finished kit. It took about, actually it didn't take me that long, it was about an hour and a half. If I look back at the footage, it's probably about an hour and 25, but still, an hour and a half, that's not too bad. Yeah, very nice. There's a few things which could have been tidied up. I do know this roof is slightly on wonky, and yeah, a few other things which need to be tidied up. There's also one or two pieces which were left over, which I could not work out where they lived. Even looked in the instructions, I could not work out where they lived. Some of them, these little lintels down here, I think there's a couple of spare ones, and one is a slightly bigger piece, which, like I said, I looked through the entire instructions, could not find it. So I'm assuming that's either a leftover piece from a previous design, or it's just not that important. Still, it looks quite nice without it. Either way. The fiddly bits. Well, the lintels are obviously fiddly bits. They need that. You do need the tweezers for that. Let's see. There wasn't really anything else fiddly from that. Other than that, really. What was it? These bits up here, a little bit awkward. And also, yes, I did get the paint pen and painted the inside black because, well, that wasn't too hard. So yeah, that is painted a bit better. What else? Don't want to say that was difficult. Nothing really difficult in there. So yeah, not really that difficult a kit. No, that's an hour and a half. Nice thing to put together while got something on in the background. Yeah, very nice. And I did glue these doors in just because, well, if you're going to have the engine set, it's probably going to have the doors open anyway. One thing which I'm a bit annoyed about was I did put these little bits on the bottom here for these columns. I did put them on straight. Then the glue decided to go off on its own. So yes, you might be able to correct that afterwards. So carefully peel off. Yeah, still was a nice little kit. Didn't cost too much. I think it was about, I want to say between £8 and £9. At most, it's probably about £10. I can't remember exactly. But yeah, very nice. And only the one chimney, so that went quite nicely as well. Yeah, very nice. But yeah, do let me know what you think down below. If you like the kit, feel free. Well, if you like the kit, do comment below. If you like the video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. And if you didn't like the video, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. And that's going to be it for me. So yeah, I may tidy up a few things. There's a little bit of glue which I need to remove from down there. But yeah, I'm very happy with it. Anyway, that's going to be it for me, and I'll see you all again next time. So take care now. Bye bye. Let's wait for you to bring around to the front. There we go. Take care now.